Broken U-joint, front passenger. So we're gonna see how we deal with it. I found one half of it. She broke both ears, I think, off of, I think she broke both ears off of opposing sides. So we do have extra, and I think I have a means of pressing it. We're gonna double check here. We're gonna kind of maybe take a breather, have a sandwich, and then we'll see what we got here and do a field repair. And there you can see there's supposed to be a bearing in that hole. So hopefully it's just a U-joint. And she didn't snap an axle shaft. But we'll get after it. We'll do something. We'll get it. We got to get it off the trail. Hopefully we get it repaired and we can drive her off. He broke the hell out of it. Yeah. Now, can I save that?
Oh, man. Yeah, it's time for a new axle, huh?
Well, I can put you back together now. You're just three-wheel drive.
Yeah.
That'll get you out of here. 'Cause I ain't putting that back together. That's all fucked up.
Yeah.
I mean, I can try to slam it.
No, there's no point.
Here, let's see. No, I forgot this damn thing.
Oh, so we're just gonna put it back. Just drive without the axle
shaft.
Because there is no saving. There's no point in putting a new U-joint in that because it's just a piece of shit.
I'm not even gonna. So much.
Yeah, there's no point in putting something brand new on that because you just need a new axle shaft. So we'll drive it out with 3 axle shafts.
That's an awesome device right there. That locks your high lift to the D-ring. So you see how crazy, because her Jeep was leaning, so I had to set the high lift on a lean like that to pick up this side. Well, it won't ever slip past that because I am locked to the high lift, pinned to the high lift, and when this goes in, it has a hook, and the hook locks itself to the D-ring. So this right now cannot come apart. It'll twist a little bit, but it'll stop, and that's it once it reaches maximum twist. But that's pretty much where it's at right now. I highly recommend that device for anybody that has D-rings front and back and a high lift. That makes it way safer. All right, I'm gonna drop this. Here, let's see if I can film while I drop it. Oh, I'm still in up mode. Okay, show you axle shafts pulled out. Got a rag stuffed in there. Just pushed everything else back in place. So I should put this speed sensor back in there where it goes. There we go. Alright, hi-ho, off we go.
I mean, there's a chance of hitting the left side on the wall. Whatever you do, don't put your arm out the window.
Whatever you do, don't put your arm out the window.
Here he comes.
Driver! All right, right there, buddy. Come on up. A little more driver. Right there. Driver. No, listen. Driver. Driver. Right there. Get him.
She wants to do it.
Good, good. A little more driver.
Right there.
Do it. Hold up for a second.
Keep throwing the red thing in there.
Right there. All right, you got it. Hang on. That way a little bit. Right there. There you go. There you go. You're on it. You're good. All right, good.
Thank you.
That way a little bit.
Just asking you to get me another one.
Give her a little bump.
Enjoyed watching the guys climb that obstacle, and decided it's getting late. It's 2:45. We still got to get off trail, so we got to go down all the obstacles. Jennifer's got pulled her front passenger axle shaft, So she's got the front locked, so she has one tire spinning in the front, but that she lost her four-wheel drive. So we're not going to attempt that obstacle with Jennifer in her current condition. So we're going to try to nurse her off trail, see if we can find somewhere to make camp, and we got dinner to prepare.
I don't know if you can see it, it's kind of dark out now. Oh, that looks good.
Some bread, a little bit of fire.